What's up, everyone?
In today's video, we're going to be talking about why you should stop making product videos for big brands.
Instead, shoot local. Let us explain.
So I've noticed when a lot of people are making these product videos to practice their skills, they're choosing big brands like Coca-Cola and Cheerios, and the truth is those brands are never even going to notice their videos.
Since you already need to practice making these videos, the point is to go local and shoot for people that have the potential to actually become your client. First off, a lot of local companies need the help. Might as well be helping someone when making a video. Coca-Cola does not care if you make a spinning little commercial of their can.
I see a lot of people really inspired by Daniel Schiffer and Austin Paul, and they'll take what they're doing and copy it exactly, like the exact Coca-Cola commercial. But what's even better is taking the skills that you learn from a Daniel Schiffer video and applying it to work for businesses in your area.
This is exactly what we've done for this video and what we have been doing. These people love the idea that you want to come in and make a free video for them. It absolutely helps them out. It helps you out by practicing, and you can even land a future deal.
For that exact reason, it's a way better use of your time.
Another huge tip when doing this is you gotta choose a company that actually has a few products. So for example, in this video, we're talking about a local brewery called Hillenbrand. They have a bunch of different kind of beers. So we made a simple video to show them what we got of one of their beers with the hope and potential to actually make those videos paid for all the rest of them.
I also really want to recommend, if you're wanting to work for someone, go in and actually meet them face to face. You're way more likely to land the deal than if you just shoot them an email.
I find that these deals are super awesome because local normally likes to help local. So you want to help them out, they want to help you out. They'll refer you, or they'll just help you out by giving you a bunch of product to practice and maybe even helping you out by giving you a real deal.
And this is also where you practice networking and you actually start learning how to sell yourself.
For this week's project, we wanted to actually tap into the beer market. We haven't made a beer video yet, surprisingly. So we went over to our local brewery at Hillenbrand and said, hey, we want to do a free video for you.
He loved the idea and he was so stoked to have a new video that he decided that this was the time he wanted to practice social media marketing.
Because we walked in and he loved our personalities, he loved our style, he loved that we were willing to put in the work and show him value first by giving him the video. He actually offered, without us even really asking, he's actually going to promote this video and tag us as the videographer. So we're not really making any money on the deal originally, but we actually are getting tagged in the post that he's going to be spending a bunch of money on promoting it, putting our faces out there. So it's like a kind of a different kind of payment source that you can kind of get also.
For this week's project, the owner of the brewery really liked the fact that his red can, he loved the color, and he wanted to do something that was kind of monochromatic with that. So we just got a simple red background. We used 4 lights.
For the lighting, we had a dome light lighting up the whole background evenly, also giving a little top light to the can and a little bit of backlight. We had 2 nano tubes on the side, giving nice edges and a little bit of top light as well. And then we had a key light and then 2 boards on the side to really fill it in.
We also really want to just share little things that we learn. Every new project we're doing, we learn something new because we're still pretty new at this. With anything reflective, polarizers are a game changer.
As you can see by this clip, it really softens all those harsh reflections that a can or a bottle may give off.
Another tip, store your plexiglass up out of sight. It scratches really easily, and we got a nice big one and we already have to get another one because it's beat up because we just leaned it against the wall. So learn from us, don't do that.
Hope this was a really good example. It's pretty simple, but this is pretty much what we do. We go out and do free to fee, go to companies, make them cool products, and this is how we've been landing all of our clients.
All right, if there's anything that you guys want to see from us specifically, we'd love to hear it in the comments below, and have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.